Okay, so remember that log E is the same as ln. So we're going to replace log E with ln. We're going to write the 14, so we're going to go to our calculator, hit the ln button, 14, round to 2 decimal places, so 2.64. Again, log E is the same as ln, so I'm going to hit ln 24, and I get 3.18 when I round it correctly. ln 12 is the last one, nothing to change there. We get 2.48. Says use the inverse property. So remember that property, when your base of your log is the same as the base of the exponent, everything cancels but that 12. Same thing here, everything cancels but the 13. Same thing here, everything cancels but the 18. Remember, when you're expanding logs, you're doing multiplication expansion with a plus sign, division expansion with a minus sign. So for this, it's log 5 plus log x. For this, it's log 7x plus log 7y. For this guy, it's log 100 plus log x. Now remember, when it's something like log 100, we'll take it over to the side, equal it to x. Remember, the base is 10, so 10 to what power gives you 100? 2. So I'm replacing the log 100 with 2. Final answer. For division, we separate with minus. So log 64 minus log, go back, that doesn't look so pretty, log y. For this one, it's log base 5x minus log base 5y. And don't forget about this little 2 here. So it's going to be 2 log y minus log 5. Condense each logarithm. All right, so now we're going backwards. So to condense, we're going to go ahead and make it 1 log. So this is going to be log 10. We can evaluate this if we write equals x, remembering that our base is 10. 10 to what power gives us 10? That's going to be 1. For number 14, we're going to condense again with multiplication. So log x3 or 3x. For 15, this 2 goes to the x as a power. So it's log base 4x squared times y. For number 17, we condense subtraction with division. Remember, when you're condensing, you should only have log written once or no times if it evaluates. ln and log have the same properties, so we're going to condense that with division. And again, we're going to condense this with division. Be careful of this 2. It is a power to the x. Finally, the change of base formula. This is going to be log answer divided by log base. So in my calculator, I'm going to type log 50, close parenthesis, divided by log 2, close parenthesis, equals 5.64 when you round to the hundredths place. For the next one, in my calculator, log 100 divided by log 3. So log 100, close parentheses, divided by log 3, close, and that becomes 4.20. And then the last one, log 4096 divided by log 7, that is going to give us 3.69. Great job today.